Hey guys, how you are doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codandtest.com. In this video, we'll learn how to create a drop-down list in HTML. Okay. So, drop-down list allows the user to choose one value from a list of values. Okay. So first, let's see the syntax. Select. Okay. And let's close this tag select. Alright, select tag is used to create a drop down list. Okay, and option value equal to some name there. Okay, item 1. Let's close that tag option. Alright, this option tag is used to create the items in the list. Okay, select tag is used to create the list, that is a drop down list, and option tag is used to create the items in that list. Alright, now if we want to have one more option, what we'll do is we'll write option, okay, value equal to name of that, like item 2, item 1 here, okay, and item 2 and option, okay, like this. Okay, so I have saved this and let me refresh this. See here, so I have item 1 and item 2 in my drop down list, isn't it? So that's how easy it is to create drop down list in HTML. Okay, let me give you an easy example. Okay, the same example: apples, lychees and oranges. Lychee, apple, lychee. Alright, option value equal to oranges, close that tag option. Okay, so I save that and I'll refresh it. Apple, lychees, oranges. Okay, so let me just write a sentence here like same one, which fruit do you like? Alright, and notice we did not write name here. Okay, we wrote name tag in radio buttons and in checkboxes. Okay, we did not write name tag in this option. Okay, we'll write name tag in select tag. We'll write name attribute in select tag. Okay, name, let's say fruit. Okay, so this attribute name equal to fruit is we wrote here, which is as good as writing in each and individual option. Okay, so I saved that. Let me refresh that. So which fruit do you like? Okay, I can select only one option. Okay, so this is just a basic drop down list. Sometimes you come across drop down lists, which allow user to select more than one option. Okay, so in that case, if you want to create such list, drop down list, all you need to do is just add a word called multiple. Okay, multiple in this select tag, multiple, multiple. Okay, and I'll save that and refresh it. Okay, when you want to select more than one option in your drop down list, you need to press control button. Okay, like this. Press control on your keyboard or shift if you want to select all these three. Okay, so that's how you create checkboxes in HTML. I'm extremely sorry, that's how you create drop down lists in HTML. God. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.